students, I welcome you all in this video. I hope that you have seen the last two, 17 and 18, the topic of development of surfaces. The past lecture 18 was explained about drawings on development surfaces drawings. Okay, so we have seen in the lecture 18 the development of surface lateral on prism. In this video, we are going to see the cone. Okay, so I'm Arun Pandian. I'm a lecturer in mechanical department of James Polytechnic College. Yeah, as usual we discussed that the main content of this video is we are going to see a drawing on developments of lateral surfaces of cone. Okay. The problem is a cone. It is a cone 50 mm base diameter and 70 mm axis is standing on its base on HP, horizontal plane. Okay, it cut by a section plane 45-degree inclined to HP, horizontal plane, through base end of end generator. Draw projections, sectional views, true shape of section and development of surfaces of remaining solid. Okay, we are going to draw the three sections and we are going to draw the true shape and we are going to draw the development surfaces of remaining solid. Okay, so we are going to see the sum here, the step by step. First, as usual, draw a line and name it as X and Y. Okay, and after that, draw a circle because of it is a cone. So if you see from top, it will be look like this. Okay, I hope that you are able to see and name it each and every A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, draw a circle and divide it as an 8 part and name it with alphabet. And now from each and every line, okay, from A, one line, from B and H, one line, G, center line, D and F, straight line, and E, straight line. Okay, and now triangular because of it is cone. When you see it from the front view, it will look like a triangular. Okay, and draw that small lines and name it. Okay, now the next part is with the same height draw the another triangle. Okay, it is the same like a front view. So if you take from the lines here itself also, no problem, center line and name it. Okay, so till then here sectional view is over and then draw 45-degree line. Okay, we are going to cut the triangular within 45-degree from the HP. Okay, if you see here, the portion is cutted. Okay, so now when I cut it, when I cut here, this is the half portion. Okay, when this half portion is there, so I can draw a half circle here and I can mention the 2 points. Okay, and then draw a straight line, bring the line from here to here itself, same way center. So if you watch carefully, then only you can understand it. Okay, wherever the points are coming, in that points, if you see deeper, it's because of I have highlighted only the drawing. The lines which you have to draw It is not highlighted, but if you see deeper, then only you can see the lines. Okay. Oval shape, and that shape will be there like that. Section it. Section it. Okay, now we are going to draw the two shape of the cone. Okay, same 45 degree, parallelly, same. Whatever lines are there, whatever the lines you are seeing here, it will directly go there. Okay, and now mention the point, any point. So take it as a point. Oval shape. Okay, so now we are going to draw. If I unfold it or unroll it, okay, it's a cone, so we can take the word unroll. Okay, if I unroll it, how the diagram, if you see here, you can see it here at the right side of the sheet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, again A. Okay, and now, okay, just find out the length. Okay, in what length the point has been kept. So find out the length, and from here put the point. Okay, and now draw the arc. So this is the sectional top view, sectional side view, true shape of section, and development picture. Okay. And this is a summary. We have seen here the developments of lateral surfaces of cone. The next drawing also we are going to see the same, one more problem on the cone. So I would like to thank you all to listen in this class, and we will meet you. I will meet you on the next class with another problem of development of surfaces on cone. Thank you.